Greetings and welcome. My name is Jake Rayson. I'm a forest garden designer, and in this short video I just wanted to show you how to stitch together multiple screenshots or satellite photographs to make one big image that you can use as a background in your CAD plan. So you use Photoshop or something similar. I'm using a program called Pixelmator on the Apple Mac. What we need to do, I have already created quite a lot of it. I'll just go and grab another piece from the screenshot, select all, copy, paste, and the trick is to invert the image that you want to line up and then make it 50% opacity. So invert is Command I or Control I and then 50% opacity. And the reason for doing this will become clear. So zoom in a little bit, and because it's inverted and it's 50%, when you line it up and it fits, it will be 100% grey because it will cancel out the image underneath, and then you know that it's lined up perfectly. I'll just use the arrow keys to nudge it into place. Oops, wrong way. Da-da-da-da-da. There we go. That's pretty spot on. Zoom back out, invert back, make 100%, and then I can go in afterwards and tidy up the image later. So hope that's useful. Thank you for watching.